What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to double tap the bell. We're back with another vlog. It is, what is today? It is July 20th. I am really proud of me really being consistent with these vlogs. Like, that's really shocking. And it's unboxing. Y'all remember when I said I went and ordered the blender from Smeg? All right, y'all, so I took it out the box. I kind of want to do a short film content with this. So maybe I should go get my phone and tripod and then do it. I don't know. I kind of want to do a short film. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trying to set this up. I don't know if this is a good angle, but I think it is. Like, this is heavy, too heavy to slide. So I don't know. I do not know how to do the whole short form content thing. Like, I'm gonna try. Unboxing. Okay, let me see how that looks. Life of a content creator. See how that look. Yeah, I am terrible at this. Maybe let me move my camera back. But let me do this and then I'll just show you the blender when we're done. Hey, y'all, so we kind of unboxed it. That short form content, I can't do it, but it's okay. This is so cute. This is chic. This is how it came out. I think this is so pretty. Like, okay, I'm not buying no more Smeg, you know, things. So it comes with two tops, as you can see, and comes with this, and it's just so pretty. This is beyond chic to me, and I'm gonna have this around for like years. This is not something I'm just buying for the aesthetics. Like, I planned to have this in my home multiple years, so I'm gonna put those two up and put this box up. I need to put these flowers in this vase. Yeah, I buy flowers every week for my apartment. I just get the red little roses from Publix. That's my favorite place to get my little flowers from. So we're about to do this real quick. All right, y'all, I'm done with my little flowers. I use the same scissors to cut my flowers and open my packages. I just Clorox it. Don't judge me. I'm about to put these on my little table. Let me move y'all around and put the camera down a little bit. Hold on. All right, now y'all can see a little better. But I have this candle on my table. This is my favorite candle. Mason Francis Buckhed candle smells really good, but the oud candle is like the best, strongest, like my favorite one. So I'll just use that, but you know the Buckhed candle looks better. But my little flowers on my table, they're cute, you know, simple. All right, y'all, so I am about to edit last week's vlog that y'all would have seen. That vlog is so short, but it's just like, I was doing mostly talking, which what people do in vlogs. It's mostly talk. My jacket is from Cost, y'all. I told y'all I love Cost. I got this on sale, and it's like, it's everything. Like, I love the color black. But I'm about to edit that vlog, and what else am I doing today? It is, what's today? It's Saturday, and it's raining, so I'm not doing nothing else. I ran on my errands. I may go to the gym later, but y'all probably don't want to see me go to the gym, so that's it. So I'll see y'all. All right guys, we are back with another vlog. Today is July 31st. I have not picked up the camera, vlogged. I'm actually about to head out to Buckhed Village and get some food with my girls. We're about to go to a cute little 1-2-3 restaurant. I'll show you guys my outfit. But first, I went to Sephora earlier and I did so much shopping, and I can say, like, he hooked your girl up. Like, my makeup looks so good. It's tea, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I love the makeup, no makeup look. I don't have on mascara due to the fact that, you know, I had LASIK, so I want to be actually really careful with my eyes right now, so I don't wear eyeshadow anyway. So, and yeah, no mascara, but the mascara I do use is Saint Laurent, so that is my go-to mascara. So you guys, what I picked up from Sephora today, I spent like maybe, let me check the receipt. I spent $296 at Sephora. Woo! Okay, but the first thing I got was this makeup by Mario in the color dark, I believe. Yeah, it's in the color dark. It says it right here, but you can like kind of see it. Like, I just feel like it set my face so good. I don't have makeup on my forehead just because, I don't know, I just don't put makeup on my forehead because, like, I don't know, I feel like I'd be breaking out on my forehead. But I have makeup by Mario right here. I use this brush. This is another brush I got to apply the makeup by Mario. This is the 93, and this is the, this is the Pro Brush Blush. So this is the brush I use for the makeup by Mario. So I just put it all right here, and it just looks so good. It kind of looks like I have a highlight, but I don't. Okay, I also got this setting spray from I'm not gonna butcher the name, but I honestly need to put this on my face right now. Yeah, I forgot to put this on my face. Ooh, so refreshing. I honestly want their makeup remover. It's called Delia. I don't know. Don't ask me how to pronounce nothing. I got the Decor Backstage because y'all knew my hyperpigmentation kind of basically changed me into a different color. Now my color is 4.5 in for my Backstage Dior. I was wearing Chanel, and I may go get a Chanel in my basically new skin color. But Chanel is usually my go-to, but this Dior Backstage looks so good. And what else I get? Honestly, I got Saint Laurent, you know, some perfume. I was going to get Chanel Mademoiselle, but I was like, okay, you just had that. And I was like, let me just get Saint Laurent. Like, it still smells good, you know? I got the mini bottle. I'm a mini girl. I love mini bags, mini bottles, mini everything. So this is the one I ended up getting from Saint Laurent. I'm about to spray it, because I didn't spray this either. You don't supposed to rub it in, but it makes me, it goes good with my natural body odor. My signature scent though is Chanel Mademoiselle. That is my signature scent. That is when I walk past, people smell me and be like, that is it. Like, you smell so good. And the next thing I got was the concealer from Pat McGrath. So I was originally gonna get Hourglass concealer, but he was like, no, you should get this. I got it in the color MD23. This is really good. This is what I have under my eyes right now. So Pat McGrath Labs and MD23, guys. That's the one I got for my under eye. And then we set it with travel size, guys, ultimate setting powder. This is a travel size, Sweet Honey. This is what I set my under eye with. So that is what I got from Sephora. That's what cost me, oh excuse me y'all, $300. And I kind of want to go back and get this makeup remover, which I'll probably do tomorrow. But I also went to Neiman Marcus and got these trousers. Girl, if you know, you know I love trousers. You know. Like, I got these nice black trousers. I spent $93 on these trousers. They was on sale actually, and I think the original price was $345 or $395 if I'm not mistaken. But I got these starred trousers, guys. I'm gonna have to try this on before I leave so y'all can see how these trousers look on me. Like, I would definitely wear them with a heel, but they look so good. They look so good. But let me go ahead, show you guys what I'm wearing to lunch real quick. It is 2:16. We have a reservation at 2:45. So yeah, I have a little bit of time. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you a quick outfit of today. I'm wearing my little Chanel bag. My whole outfit is from Zara, and I'm wearing my Hermes shoes. This is my little 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna have on my shades because it's so hot here in Atlanta. So this is my little casual cute 1, 2, 3, keeping it simple. And yeah, we're about to head out and go. But I can say this Saint Laurent perfume smells so good. It smells grand. It smells great. Alright guys, I wanted to come up here and kind of end this vlog. Yesterday we ended up going to this restaurant in Buckhed Village. If you live in Atlanta, you know. I don't want to butcher the name, but I'll link it down below in the description box. I went to COS also, and I seen this coat and I was like, it's wool, but the wool made me itchy. I thought that coat was really cute. I told y'all I love COS. We ended up at Pasha. I feel like I'm always going to Pasha now, but that is pretty much all we did. I did want to show you guys the trousers that I am right now shooting some short form content, like some fashion stuff, like for TikTok. I don't know if I want to do TikTok again, but like mostly for YouTube. So let me just show you guys like the trousers that I brought from Neiman Marcus. All right guys, I don't know if you can see, but these are the trousers that I got from Stod. I'm thinking about ordering the white pair. Yeah, just like the white pair. I don't know if they have it on sale, but this is pretty much how I would style it. I have it on my Christian Louboutin. Again, I'm filming short form content right now, so you'll probably see this on YouTube Shorts. And I have it paired with this Woodford turtleneck. So yeah, the trousers are a vibe. I think I'm gonna definitely order some more colors. I think the white will look really good, but all in all, I like them pretty much. That will be the end of this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Link down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I don't know when that will be, because I think I want to take a break from vlogs a little bit, even though I just started. I think I want to focus more on like short form content, like YouTube Shorts, because I'm like, my vlog is not getting like a lot of traction, but that's okay, because like I'm still trying to figure out what I want to post on YouTube. So all in all, yeah, I may post a vlog. What is that? It's August 1st. I'm probably gonna end up posting a vlog towards the end of August, just to see if, I don't know, I'll figure it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.